2021 996 Porsche 911 Carrera 4. I've had it for 1 year now, and I put 20,000 miles on it. And in this video, we're going to talk about whether it's worth it or not, and how much I spent on this car in the past year. Let's go. So now we're going to go through the ownership cost of how much this car and the 996 has costed me over the last year, including oil changes and any other parts that I may have needed to keep this car on the road. So since I drove my 996 on track last year, I was forced to do a brake flush for the track inspection. So this year and last year I did a brake flush, and this year I also did an ABS cycle just because I felt some sponginess in my brake pedal. These were the only two jobs that I had my 996 actually serviced in a shop, and those two together were $200 and $375, coming to a grand total of $575 for ABS cycle and 2 brake flushes. So over the 20,000 miles of owning this car, I've done 5 different oil changes. Luckily, I know how to do oil changes myself. Me and my uncle or friends will do them. So every single time, the oil's costed me about $70. If I've done it 5 times, that means it cost me $350. Now, maybe the scariest service I've had so far, about 1 month ago, I got a check engine light, and I had a code for my cylinder 6 saying it had a misfire. So I changed all the spark plugs and coils. Me and my uncle did that all by myself, so we didn't have any Porsche tax. And for all the parts, I paid about $300. When I got the car, it actually came with 6 extra spark plugs that haven't been used yet, so I just used those parts. Unfortunately, I went through a puddle last year and it ripped one of my underbody panels, and I had to buy one of those parts off Pelican Parts. That cost me $175. Before my road trip down to the tail of the Dragon, I wanted to replace the brakes and rotors. The brake pads for the front and rear were about $220, and for new rotors, it cost me about $480. But luckily, I got them half off because of a partnership with Redline. So therefore, I only spent around like $240 on front and rear rotors. So now my total cost for this car for 1 year was $1,870. I got a lot more videos upcoming. I'm actually going on a road trip all the way out to Portland, Oregon. About a 100-hour road trip that I'm about to go on in this Porsche 996. So I think it should be a really cool journey. And if you guys are here for it, hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and good luck on your dream car inquiry or Porsche inquiry.